A golf ball might seem simple. It's small, white, and covered in dimples. But these dimples are key. These tiny indentations are not just for show. They play a crucial role in the ball's aerodynamics. They dramatically affect how far and straight the ball flies. Without them, the ball would not travel as efficiently. This intricate design is a testament to the complex engineering behind these tiny spheres. Engineers and scientists spend countless hours perfecting the dimple patterns. This essay explores the fascinating journey of a golf ball from the factory floor to the fairway. From raw materials to the final product, every step is meticulously planned. We'll uncover the secrets behind their creation and how they impact your game. Join us as we delve into the science and craftsmanship that make these tiny designs have such a huge impact. Making a golf ball is both an art and a science. It involves a delicate balance of material science, engineering, and manufacturing precision. The goal is to create a ball that meets the demands of golfers at all skill levels. We'll delve into the intricate process, exploring the challenges and triumphs of transforming raw materials into high-performance golf balls. Golf ball manufacturers face a constant challenge, balancing distance, control, and durability. Players want a ball that flies far and straight. They also want a ball that feels soft on impact and holds up over multiple rounds. Achieving this balance requires careful selection of materials, innovative design, and rigorous testing. Section 4. Anatomy of a golf ball, peeling back the layers. A golf ball is not just a solid sphere, it's a complex structure with multiple layers, each serving a specific purpose. The core, mantle, and cover work together to influence the ball's spin, speed, and overall performance. Section 5. From factory floor to fairway, the making of a golf ball. The journey from raw materials to a finished golf ball is a marvel of modern manufacturing. It involves a series of intricate steps, each crucial to the final product's performance and durability. It starts with the core, often made of rubber, which is molded under high pressure. This core is the heart of the golf ball, providing the initial energy transfer when struck. Then, layers of synthetic materials are added, each with specific properties to enhance performance. These layers are designed to optimize the ball's flight, spin, and control, making it suitable for various playing conditions. Finally, the cover is applied and the dimple pattern is meticulously imprinted. The dimples are not just for show, they play a critical role in aerodynamics, helping the ball travel farther and more accurately. Each step undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure consistency and performance. From the core to the cover, every aspect is scrutinized to meet the high standards expected by golfers around the world. This meticulous process ensures that each golf ball performs at its best, whether on the driving range or in a championship tournament. Section 6. The perfect shot. How manufacturing impacts performance. Every detail in a golf ball's design, from the core composition to the dimple pattern, affects how it performs. A larger core, for example, can lead to greater distance, while a softer cover enhances feel and control. Understanding these nuances allows golfers to choose the ball that best suits their swing and playing style. Section 7. Keep swinging. Explore more about golf balls. The world of golf ball manufacturing is full of innovation and technological advancements. From the core to the cover, every layer of a golf ball is meticulously designed to enhance performance. The materials used, the dimple patterns, and even the manufacturing processes are constantly evolving to give golfers an edge on the course. This essay has only scratched the surface. The journey of a golf ball from raw materials to the final product is fascinating and complex. Each step in the production process is crucial in ensuring the ball performs at its best. There's a wealth of information available online and through manufacturers' websites. You can find detailed specifications, performance reviews, and even videos showing the manufacturing process. So next time you tee up, take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel that is the golf ball. Consider the science and craftsmanship that goes into making each one. And if you're curious, explore further. Dive into the history, the technology, and the future innovations of golf balls. Share your thoughts and discoveries with fellow golf enthusiasts. Engage in discussions, exchange tips, and enhance your game by understanding the intricacies of the golf ball.